My name is Frank Grisafi. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon at Southwoods Health. I chose my specialty. It was a process of elimination through medical school. You do different rotations. I was drawn to orthopedics, playing sports growing up, and then while doing my orthopedic surgery residency, was drawn to spine surgery. That seemed the most interesting. It was very intricate, and that's where I ended up doing my training and eventually becoming a fellowship-trained spine surgeon. The most rewarding part of my career is helping somebody that either has neurologic deficit, weakness in their leg or arm, or severe intractable pain. See somebody sort of dying in pain or having severe weakness, and then you do something to fix it, and then they wake up from anesthesia and that problem is gone. That is very satisfying for me, and I'm sure it's very satisfying for the patient. I'm Dr. Frank Grisafi, and at Southwoods Health, you'll see it's not just about the treatment, but how you're treated.